Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you download Git in your Windows 11 PC. So firstly let's move in our browser and we have to search for Git here. Not github.com, just Git. Just hit enter. You will see the first link. Click on that. When you scroll down you will see something like this. Just click on download for Windows. In the first line click here to download. Just hit enter. Now click on this. While in the meantime we can minimize our browser. Firstly, just click on yes and minimize your browser. After that, just click on next. This was the user agreement. Since Git only requires almost 350 MB of disk space, then click next. Okay. Since I already had Git installed earlier, so that was showing that. If you want to install additional icons, you can also do that. Then just click on next, next, and then again next. Okay. Uh, if you want to like name the initial branch as main branch. Then go with this one. I will override. Either you will just go with let Git decide. Okay, keep this as default. Then again next and next again. See, keep all these settings as default for the time being. And also, you need to do this. Uh, Make sure that this default behavior for Git pull is always fast forward or merge. Then again next and next. Then install. This will take up a few seconds. Okay, yeah, it is almost done. You can just verify the installation of Git by just using git hyphen version. Let me show you this after just the installation is complete. So it is done. We can just now minimize this because it is almost done, but not completely. So yeah, now we can minimize this. Just finish this and open your command prompt. So yeah, you can just simply type git here and then hit enter. This will show you the list of commands that Git supports. If you want to check the version, then just go with this git space then hyphen version. Hit enter. You can see that this is the current version which we have installed in our computer. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next.